So, that's one of the things that I want everyone to realize. This is a gap that you're totally giving up on because you're expecting someone or something to fix you outside of yourself. But what if you said, all right, I'm committed to getting here. I'm a little bit nervous. I'm a little bit excited. And maybe I don't know exactly the full plan, but I'm going to commit to me showing up and doing what I can over time to do more and more and more and more and more. And what happens over time, you literally start to move forwards and progress, right? And that is really what you want, is like the success of your new reality, right? But I can guarantee one thing: if you keep doing what you're doing and you keep hoping, I just need someone to support me and listen to me. You believing that you just need to talk everything out and just be supported is going to keep you stuck as well. Because there's no plan in that. You literally just want to vent. And venting isn't actually going to help you get better. It might help relieve some initial struggle, but it's not really a plan for recovery. And so again, this is why I ask you all who are watching right now, get in touch with yourself and start to notice, like, what is it that I really need right now? Is it mindset? Is it gut health? Is it nutrition? Is it restorative movement? Is it everything? Is it baseline? You need to stop pushing and crashing. Is it acceptance? Is it letting go of guilt? What is it for you guys in the chat box? What's resonating right now, what I'm saying? But there's a big gap. And I'm seeing it too often at the moment. I hate seeing it because, I started this whole thing to make sure no one else had to go through what I went through. But again, it's a journey. And sometimes you have to go through this to get to this point of realization that actually, no, it is up to me. And so I don't want you to feel like it is your fault, because it's really not. The system's kind of geared against you. The system says, hey, you're sick, take this pill. Hey, you're sick, do this supplement, do this protocol, try this, try that. And it doesn't work, all right? Because recovery from chronic fatigue syndrome requires you to be in the driver's seat of your recovery. And no one else can do that for you. We can help you. You can get help from other people, but it's not like you're expecting them to do it for you, because it just won't happen.